Don't let the wife see I didn't cover it up. I thought I'd first remove some of the wood to see what is below it. To see if it's gonna make a mess. We'll probably have to cover it up anyway in a bit. Let's see. I know, if this is blocks, then I still need to cover it up. I thought maybe it would be wood, but that was a stupid thought. Okay.
Do you want me to take this down?
Yeah, at least outside.
Let's take up my drawing.
Maybe that will come off for me. Take off the rest. This is not the right hammer to take this down. We do need to find a way to cover this kitchen up. Otherwise the missus is not going to be happy. Removing this should make her happy. We kunnen ook even een videootje maken. Hey? Hallo YouTube. Oh, hallo. 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 Maar voor YouTube moet hij in landscape. Ja, ja, dat is voor YouTube. I think I was overcomplicating things. I think this should work also. Bit of duct tape. the expensive tapes with you.
Oh my god. Does it glue? No.
Not really,
10 euros.
but good enough.
Yes. And did you try to break it?
Yeah, I have a small hammer.
No, we have a big one.
Oh yeah.
Maybe just mind, maybe you take the light off so it doesn't break the lamp, the bulb.
No, it's not. Okay.
And why you didn't take the wood out, baby? The wood?
That?
Yeah.
I can't get it. I can't
Ah.
get behind it with the hand.
Ah, pois é, precisava so you need a geitenvoet.
Huh?
A geitenvoet. A back cabin, this thing that goes like a
Ja, wat in?
koeienpoot. Koeienvoet.
Ah,
Ah.
koevoet.
Ah.
Heel goed.
Oké, dit is je slaapkamer voor vandaag.
Ja, dankjewel lieverd.
Hey girls, we go.
Hebben we een lampje?
What?
Dat ik hierin kan zetten? Anders doe ik mijn hoofd.
Ah, with the electricity.
I can also put this inside. Tadaa! Obrigado.
Meninas, vamos.
Vamos! Murtello? Murtello? Mutello? Built up from tijolo, but they put quite a rebar in it. You're a very big piece. Trying not to damage the floor too much. That's going pretty well. Only the last diagonal part still. And we need to see that we can fill up the hole to the attic. It'd be good if we can get that in so it can dry. This last part is completely stuck to the wall.
Oh my god, what you doing? Hey.
Making a mess.
Yeah.
Kijk hier. 2 hours later. My hands are completely busted also. Cramped up. Oh. Good we had the chisel. The chisel. Chisel. Kind of like the English word, right? Chisel. 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 So, clean this mess up. Luckily the pile is here just in front of the door. No, it's okay.
I was trying to go to see if she was like this, it will break, yeah? No. We go?
Yeah.
1, 2, oh, you let everything. I almost went together. Crazy people.
The missus is cleaning up. She's happy the thing is gone. I don't think she was very happy with me making a mess. The rough work should be done. So tomorrow I'm gonna see if I can get some either some sand somewhere or some pre-mixed cement mix. And then see that we can cover the hole to the attic and also fill up the holes in the wall. We're not gonna do any tiling or anything, we're just gonna fill it up smooth and then leave it like that for now. Eventually Karina probably wants to do something with this kitchen, but that's probably far away in the future. Yeah, finally got to do some real labor again today. It feels good. My wrist is a little bit nagged from the hammering. My hands are completely damaged. Should have worn some gloves.